Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, today is Makeup Monday. I created this beautiful halo look. I was super inspired by this red shirt. I felt like, you know what? I feel like I'm in Spain. Let's be creative. So I wanted to be a Spaniard woman. So I did this. It's a little more dramatic for my liking, but if you guys feel creative with me, then stay tuned and watch how I created this look and catch me on that side over there trying to do this look. But if you guys want to do it, do it. I'm telling you guys, we're gonna have so much fun and I hope you enjoy this tutorial. All right, so let's begin. So I already did my eyebrows off camera and my foundation, and I contour the mess out of my face. This is like a Spaniard kind of look, so I wanted to do a bold contour, do a bold shadow look with a bright red lipstick. So guys, you ready? Stay tuned. So I got this palette from BoxyCharm for my month subscription this month. And this is Torturous Pro. I'm gonna attempt to do like a halo effect this time around. So we're gonna use some of these colors. So if you guys, are you ready? Let's start. All right, so I'm gonna prime my eyes with my beautiful Tarte concealer. And blend that out so we won't have no creases in our eyelids, so the eyeshadow can place better. I'm gonna add a little bit of setting powder underneath my eyes so the fallout, if it falls out on my setting powder, so I can just wipe it down later on. So I'm gonna just put a little bit. So excuse me if I look a little bit ghosty. That's just because I don't want the eyeshadow stuff to fall. All right, I look kind of crazy guys, but I'm telling you, everything is gonna be put together. All right, so now let's see what we're going to use. So I'm going to use right here, and this is Classic. I'm gonna put that all over my lid so I can prep the eyes. I'm gonna use a big fluffy brush. And just, I'm gonna place this all on my eyelids just to be the base for the eyeshadow to blend better, to blend easier. All right, so next I'm going to use this color right here, and this is Innocent. And I'm going to place that right up here. And we're just going to I'm not trying to bring it up, I'm just trying to stick it right there where the bone, where you can feel the bone. And then we'll do the same thing on this side. So this is the color that we're gonna place, so then we can start blending all the other colors. All right, so now I'm going to use Whimsy. And that's that color right here. It's like an orangey brown color. And we're going to place that right where we did that. And I'm going to use this little fluffy brush here. And we're just going to put it under the cupid's bone. And we're just going to put that all around. And then bring it out a little bit. I'm trying to pack it just so I can have a little bit of that product. because then we're gonna blend that out. Because we're trying to do a halo effect, so we're gonna do darker colors in and out and bring it in. And then do the same thing on this side. And then I'm going to blend that out just a little bit. I want to add again a little bit more of the Whimsy color, and now I'm going to blend it upwards. I want more of that color up here. A little bit of product that you don't have anymore, because then we're gonna start darkening it up on the corners. So we have this blended how we want it. So I'm going to start with the edgy color. It's like a little brownish color. We're going to put it in the corners, the two corners. So we're going to place it in the inner corner right here. And bring it outwards. And then we bring it in the outer corner right here and bring it, and then bring it inwards. We're trying to do that little smoky effect with the dark color. You see that? And then we grab the brown again and bring it inwards. Like that. And whatever excess product that you have, you just bring it up. And blend. Just like that. All right, so now we're going to use Drama, and we're going to do the same. Outwards, bring it in. I'm patting it first, and then I'm going to blend it. And do the same thing in the inner corner. Then we'll grab a fluffy brush and we'll just blend that out a little bit. With no product, just blend it out. All the harsh lines. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut right here in the middle. And we're going to do a halo effect. I'm going to put the concealer right here on my, and start cutting. Use my concealer and start cutting to make that halo effect. Then use my finger and just blend that out, the concealer. I'm gonna get a fluffy brush again and get that orange color and just blend. And I'm gonna use No Filter. It's a little lighter purple. And then just put them in towards the middle. And then put it right here on the corner. Because then we're gonna put that champagne color right there. This is really pretty, guys. Alright guys, so now we're going to use this color right here, and it's like a glittery gold, so we're gonna, it's Glam. So I'm gonna place that right where I cut the crease. I'm gonna use a flat brush. I'm gonna spray it a little bit and then just place that right where I cut it. Oh, that's beautiful. This don't do no justice, guys. This is really pretty. Alright guys, so I'm gonna do my wing liner. Alright guys, I did my wing liner. I'm going to do my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Eyelash is on. So we're going to finish underneath our eyes and then we're going to show you how to do a beautiful red Spaniard lip look. So I'm going to use Smoke and I'm going to use Whimsy. So these two colors, I'm going to place that underneath my eyes. So I'm going to use this right here. It looks like a little pencil. And I'm going to use the Smoke. And then I'm going to use Whimsy. That's the orangey brown color. I'm going to put a black liner. Now the eyes are done. I'm just going to swoop this, take all this out. Take all the excess product out. I'm going to use this blush right here from NYX. It's like a little orangey color. I'm not going to put too much because I'm just trying to have a bronzy look. Blend that out. Alright, so now I'm going to use these two colors right here for my red lip. And I'm going to use Body Graphing Rosewood. And I'm going to outline my lips. Alright. Now I'm going to put this little red color lip on my lip. Alright. Now I'm going to use Make It Dewy. I'm just going to spray my face. Alright guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial and tell me what do you guys think about this look. And thank you guys for watching and have an awesome day. Bye bye.